start the bed, turn my flag on. Take a look in the mirror, say what's up. Oh god, I suck. This is oh damn. Failure. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Tyson, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the YouTube partnership. Some of you already know what a YouTube partnership is, but for those of you who don't, well, I'll explain to you. Well, basically, a YouTube partnership is kind of like an agreement between you and YouTube. Well, YouTube and Google are kind of like interconnected, so you and Google as well, where Google can place ads on your videos and you can gain some revenue from it, and also you get lots of other benefits like other syndication options, like you can customize your channel different, your videos autoplay, and you have a banner at the top of your channel and a banner like on the side of your like videos there. You've probably seen them before. Like here are some popular YouTubers who happen to be a YouTube partner. Well, most of you may know like Fred, F-Films. There's like a list of them. Yeah, you can check them out. Let's see. Now, of course, being a YouTube partner is not always that easy. YouTube, when you apply, you have to fill out this form. There's certain criteria you have to meet where if you don't meet those criteria, you won't get accepted. But if you do, well, great. Right, well, just a rough outline. The criteria is you gotta make creative videos that are suitable for online streaming, and you gotta be active. Like, I think it's like post a video once every 2 weeks. You have to gotta have well, the size of the audience is not restricted, but the larger the audience, the more chances of getting into a YouTube partner. The number of subscribers is a big perk, but I wouldn't say it's important, because I think YouTube looks more at the quality of your videos and like originality more than how many subscribers you have. They also check on your community guidelines, like make sure your account is in good standing, know the terms of use and conditions. Now, if you're looking for more information, you can go to this link, http www.youtube.com/partners. You'll get more information there, and you can also apply. One thing about being a YouTube partner is if you apply and you don't get accepted, you can't reapply until 2 months after. Well, being a YouTube partner is great. It's a great experience, and I hope many of you check it out, and maybe you never know, you might be a YouTube partner. Well, I want to be a YouTube partner, but if you look at my channel, I'm probably gonna have a long time until I become a YouTube partner. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, you can't have any copyright in your video. No exceptions. Yeah, you have to own all the rights to all the music and video you have uploaded. Oh, okay, well, I'm just gonna continue without the green screen because I'm almost done. Yeah, so when I'll probably apply for YouTube partner like when I get like about, I don't know, like 3,000 subscribers. I don't know. I'm not gonna be a YouTube partner anytime soon, but yes. Well, it's a great experience. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Oh, okay. I'm gonna continue without the wait 2 months before you'll have to wait 2. Yeah. Oh. Green screen keeps falling down.